All right, our final video is on how to solve a proportion. What we're going to do when we solve a proportion is we're first going to start by prime factoring all of the numbers. So I know that 2 is a prime number. I know that 8 is going to be 2 times 4. 2 is a prime number. 4 is going to be 2 times 2. 2 is a prime number and 2 is prime. If I take a look at the number 10, I'm going to kind of go upside down here and I'm going to say that 10 is 2 times 5. 2 is prime, 5 is prime. So I'm going to start this problem by rewriting the original proportion using only prime numbers. So I'm going to say x divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 5 divided by 2 times 2 times 2. Now if you want at this point, you can always look for your giant ones and see or recognize that we have a 2 divided by a 2, and I'm going to make that into a 1. From here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cross multiply. So when I cross multiply, I get 2 times 5. And that's going to be equal to 2 times 2 times x. How do I solve an equation? Identify the variable. If they're multiplying by 2 times 2, I'm going to divide by 2 times 2. Whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side of the equation. Again, looking for giant ones. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what's left on the left side, in the numerator it's 1 times 5 is 5. In the denominator 1 times 2 is 2. And that's equal to 1 times 1 times x, which is x. So x equals 5 over 2.